In our previous session, we learned about story filter and page filter. Okay. In today's session, we are going to learn about how to perform linked analysis. What is linked analysis? Means when you have multiple charts on the page, when you select any selection, means when you select any one selection from one chart, then the selection you want to pass as a filter to this other charts or other individual charts. Okay, then this kind of functionality is nothing but linked analysis. For example, here I have two charts: amount per plant, amount per actual month level. When I select this plant one from the chart one, then the selected plant must go as a filter to the second chart which is showing at month level. So how can we achieve this? By using linked analysis we can achieve it. How to design this linked analysis? First you need to define the charts individually. Okay, then we must perform the linkage. So select the first chart, select these three dots, and then click on linked analysis. Then you see the interactions apply to only this widget. Means whatever interactions you are performing that are specific to this widget only. Now we are going to select this, change this to all widgets on the page. When you select all widgets on the page, there is a setting here, filter on data point section. Okay, then what will happen when you do filter on data point section and click on apply button? Now if you click on plant one, you see the other charts are updating according to this one. You see now only one plant it is showing here. Okay, and here also the values are, there is one filter here. So when you click here, what your filter you are seeing? Filter plant one. For example, now I select deselect plant one and select only plant three. Now the other two charts are updating with only plant 3. If I go to filter here, you can see here plant 3 was applied. Okay, so this is called linked analysis. For example, what is your requirement? Your requirement is only to apply this particular selection or to only selected widgets, not all the widgets in the plant here. So in such case, what to do? So again, we go to the initial chart and go to linked analysis and change the selection to only selected widgets. When you take this one, what will happen? Automatically connect newly created widgets. So I'm unchecking, means any new widget, for example, I added as enhancements to the story. I don't want to apply this filter on those. In such case, then I can uncheck this one and then select widgets from the list to link to this widget. It means whatever filter I am selecting here, which other charts it has to apply. You can deselect. For example, I don't want to apply this filter on the donut chart. Then I deselected it and click on apply button. Then what happened? So this particular filter plant 3 was applied only to this bar chart, and this donut chart still showing data from all locations. Okay, when I select plant 4, then what happened? You see, without a deselecting, if I select next plant, now both plants are passed as a filter to this other chart. If I click here, then you see plant 3 and 4 both plants. So when you are doing linked analysis, then you need to check either select one, or if your multiples are selected, you need to deselect the other. Okay, so remember this one. Now this is the donor chart is unimpacted, even though I'm selecting the one, because we removed it from our linked analysis. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward performing this linked analysis. Okay, and for the input controls also, if you want to apply it only, for example, this particular input control is applied for all the widgets in the page. But if you want to apply this input control also, like page filter also only for the selected widgets, then you can do that. How to do this? Like same thing, go to 3 clicks and 3 dots here and then linked analysis, and you see all widgets on this page. Now then go to the other option, only selected widgets, and then select only the required ones. For example, this particular plant page filter must apply only to these bar charts. I will select only these two and click on apply button. Now what will happen? For example, if I uncheck everything and select only plant 1, then this particular selection is applied only to this particular donut chart is still unaffected. Okay, so linked analysis can be done from chart level to other charts, or even from the input control to the or page filter to the other charts also. Okay, thank you.